Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today is Saturday, November 17th, and it's almost Thanksgiving. We've had some really crappy weather, and we recently had a snowstorm, but it's all gone. So, today's project, I'm putting on a set of Rubicon Rock Sliders that I got off of Craigslist. I got these way back on the drive home from Uwharrie, where we did the Jeep Jamboree. I broke off my Sahara side steps and kind of dinged up the body. The driver's side is not so bad, so I can actually just bolt those on. Passenger side is going to need some work. So I'll show you what the passenger side looks like now, and then I'm just going to bolt on the driver's side and then do a little bit of repair on the passenger side. So it's actually kind of nice. It feels like about 50 degrees, a little windy, but compared to the last few days, it's good to be outside. Alright, here we go. Alright, so here's the driver's side. So everything nice fit. I'm gonna just bolt those on. There's no issues on this side. Let's go to the passenger side. So the passenger side is the side that really got messed up. It's a little bent up there, but this is the spot that kind of took the big hit. So you can see this whole thing is bent, so I gotta try and bend that back, and it basically snapped the bolts out. So I'm gonna try and fix that. Luckily the bolts into the bottom of the body, where the holes in the bottom of the body didn't pull out, so if I can't really fix this too well, it's not the end of the world. But I also just want to make sure it doesn't rust. Alright, let's bolt on the other side. Alright. I'm also putting on a little anti-seize on the bolts. Alright. Alright, this side's all done, all bolted in. Alright, now the hard job of fixing the passenger side. Alright. So, this is the main focus that I gotta try and fix. Let's see if we can fix this. Alright, so kind of bent it back into place, and you see there's some rust developing, so I'm going to get out the sanding disc, sand that down, put some primer and paint on it. But I think that's as good as it's gonna get back, and then should be fine with the new rock rails once it gets painted and sealed up. Alright, so we're going to do that right now. Alright, just gonna put a little primer on it. Alright, just gonna let that dry for a little bit, and then I have the color match paint. I'm just gonna spray that over. It doesn't have to be the best because it's obviously gonna be hidden by the rock rail. So it's really more just to act as a protectant so you don't get any rust. Yeah. Alright, so let's let this dry for a few minutes. This is the color match paint. Alright, so not the greatest, but it's definitely better than it was, and it should be protected now, so I shouldn't have to worry about any rust. So I'm going to let this dry up for another few more minutes, and then we're going to install the Rubicon Rock Slider, and then we're done. Alright, paint's all dry. Now we're just going to put this the rock slider on the passenger side, and then bolt it in. We're all done. Nice easy little project for Saturday afternoon. Alright. All done. Alright. Alright, so that was it for today. Just a little project on a Saturday afternoon. I still have work tonight, and I worked last night, so I'm still a little tired. So just wanted to get that taken care of because it actually snowed 2 days ago, and I'm just worried about some rustish. I didn't want it to rust, so now I feel a lot better, so I'm ready for the winter. Alright, that's it. Yeah, working on a few more videos. Hopefully some more will pop up next week, and then finally got the sandblaster for the trailer, and I got all the supplies I needed, so now I can sandblast the trailer and get all the rust off, prime it, and that should be about a day's worth of work rather than sitting here and grinding away for like days and days. So alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. If you have any questions about what I did, just leave it in a comment below, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe down below. It's very easy. All you do is you take your mouse and you put it over the subscribe button. You go click, click. Alright, have a great weekend, everybody. I hope you get to enjoy the weather and get outdoors. This is my work weekend, so next weekend is my weekend off, so I'll be getting out then. Alright.